Hello everyone, Jonathan Rio here with Simplified Guitar. In this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you the Christmas song, "Oh Christmas Tree." This is a great easy song to get started with on the guitar because we're only going to be using 2 chords. So let's go ahead and get started with it.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches. They're green when summer days are bright, they're green when winter snow is white. Oh Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches. Oh Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches. Oh Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches. How often you give us delight in brightly shining Christmas light. Oh Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches. Oh Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches. Oh Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches. That hope and love will ever be the way to joy and peace for me. Oh Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches.
So as I said in the beginning, we're only using 2 chords, and that's going to be our G chord and the D over F sharp chord. If you feel more comfortable, you can use the traditional D instead of D over F sharp. But the reason I'm using D over F sharp is because for those of you who are just starting on the guitar, it might be an easier chord for you to go to rather than the traditional D because there's more similarities to that G. So that just makes transitioning easier. Your 3rd and 4th finger are not moving the whole time. You're just going to be moving your 1st and 2nd finger from this position to this position. For strumming, we're going to be using the swing pattern, which is a 3-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 3 down strums with an up strum added after beat 3, and then we're going to repeat. We're also just going to be plucking the first note of the chord for the first beat of each measure. So if we're on the G, the first note of that chord is going to be the E string. So I'm going to pluck for beat 1 of each measure. I'm just plucking that string by itself. And then for the other beats, I'm strumming full. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, like that. All right, if you'd like to get the chord chart for this song, just click right here to head on over to the website where you can download that. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified when I come out with new lessons. All right, I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.